Interface and reliability. Android 6 isn't the latest version. HTC's Sense overlay is easy to use. 5 gestures available for quick access to features. The HTC Uplay arrives running Android 6.0 Marshmallow, and as of November 2017 that's still the software it's running. That's rather frustrating, considering Android 7.0 Nougat launched back in October 2016 and even Android Oreo has now launched. It's all the more annoying if you glance over to the HTC Ultra, which launched at the same time as the Uplay, and see that it comes with Android 7 out of the box. An all-round bizarre situation then, and it makes the Uplay seem like a second-class citizen on its home turf. While you may not have the latest software, what you do find on screen is pleasing. HTC's Sense interface overlays the Android operating system, providing a relatively clean and fuss-free experience. HTC retains the app drawer on the Uplay, a feature other manufacturers have started to remove, but has added its Blink Feed Highlights panel, accessible with a swipe from left to right on your home screen. It pulls what it thinks are important updates from key apps such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and your calendar, and presents them in a series of cards. I found the Uplay wasn't particularly great at pulling in the things I really cared about, though, so I removed it completely. The HTC Uplay does come with a selection of gestures, accessible from the settings menu. These include things like double-tapping the screen to wake, and swiping down twice on the display when it's off to launch the camera. We found double tap to wake useful, but we didn't have any pressing need for the other options on offer. Overall, the HTC Uplay has a familiar Android interface that's easy to navigate, ensuring that anyone transitioning from another Android handset won't have any issues getting to grips with their new phone.